Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable pasta salad. Start by selecting a pasta shape that holds dressing well, like rotini or pen. Cook about 8 ounces of pasta until it's perfectly al dente, meaning it's firm to the bite. Immediately after cooking, drain the pasta and rinse it thoroughly with cold water. This crucial step prevents the pasta from overcooking and removes excess starch, ensuring your salad has a delightful texture and doesn't become sticky. Next, gather a vibrant assortment of fresh vegetables. Aim for about 3 to 4 cups of chopped veggies to complement your pasta. Excellent choices include crisp bell peppers in various colors, crunchy cucumbers, and sweet cherry tomatoes, halved or quartered. Ensure all your vegetables are washed thoroughly and then chopped into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This makes every forkful enjoyable and ensures even distribution throughout the salad. Now, let's create a delicious dressing to bring all the flavors together. In a medium bowl, whisk together about 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil with 1/4 cup of your favorite vinegar, such as red wine or apple cider. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of dried herbs like oregano. For an extra layer of flavor, incorporate 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Whisk until well combined and emulsified. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooled pasta and all your freshly chopped vegetables. Pour the homemade dressing evenly over the entire mixture. Using a large spoon or tongs, gently toss everything together until every piece of pasta and vegetable is coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the pasta salad for at least 1 hour, or ideally 2 hours, to allow the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.